All right, hello. For now, we're going to begin our short journey, but a very important journey on the quadratic functions. Quadratic functions are functions that are raised to the x squared. So, in standard form, is ax squared plus bx plus c. So that is standard form. The a is called a leading coefficient. B is just the middle term. It's not horribly important what its name is, but the C is called the constant. Constant is a number without a variable. So, what we have to know about A is that when A is positive, then the graph itself, which is called a parabola, opens up. Sorry for the handwriting, guys. And the parabola that opens up looks like this, right? So right here at the center is called a vertex. The vertex in this particular case is a min. All right? So this is at the bottom here. If the A is negative, then that parabola will open down. So it'll look like this, all right? And then right here at the top of this vertex, sorry, again, this is new to me, this vertex is a max. It's at the top, so it's at the maximum point of the graph. All right. Now, what we need to do, though, what's going to be important, is be able to move stuff from factored form to standard form. Almost ran out of room there. All right. So factored form is the form when it's in parentheses already and has something like this, x plus q, x plus p, okay? And then, of course, we know that standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to be able to do that. Again, please excuse this horrible handwriting here. So what we're going to use is something called FOIL. Now, I'm sure that you remember this FOIL term, standing for first, outer, inner, last. And that term, just for an example here, what that does is that multiplies to get you your standard form. So that is the first, that's the F. This would be x squared. And then the O, change colors here for you. The O is down here, which would give you plus 3x. And then the I is the inner, that's the I here. That would give you 2x. Let me nibble my O here. There's your O. And then the last is the 2 here that make the constant up, which is 6. Then what you're going to do is you're going to combine like terms, which is here, and then you'll get x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now I'm going to change screens and use this same example here. And so that's x squared plus 5x plus 6. The leading coefficient in this case, is 1. There's a 1 sitting right here that you can't see, all right? And because it's 1 and because it's positive, this will open up, and it's a min. All right? So let's do another example just to kind of make sure that you're understanding how we're doing this. Make another example here. All right? So start in black. Call this example 2. Sorry, the other one was example 1. We'll start here, and we'll just say write in standard form. Sorry. Wow. That's worse than it was on the board, huh? And then we'll have x plus 4, and let's go 2x plus 3. So I'll change colors like I usually do in class, and we'll start multiplying. Here is 2x squared. Here is 3x. This here, 4 times 8, or 4 times 2 is 8, 8x, and then here is 12. Combine these like terms, 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. That's standard form. That's the one we want to get. But what we need to be able to do is name everything in it. So that was 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. And that the leading coefficient, we'll just abbreviate it with LC, is 2, positive 2. Opens up, and it's a min. All right, so that's basically that. All right, so if the 2 was negative, then obviously it would open down and be a max. Now, the other thing I want to talk about today that's going to be on your homework is solving for these things, and they're going to be in factored form. So I'm going to call this example 3. Hold on, let me change my... So this is going to be example 3. Again, please forgive the handwriting. I'm trying to write on an iPad, and it's not my best work. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're just going to go x plus 7. I'm just making this up now. 2x minus 5, okay? And we're going to have a little... Okay, hold on one second, guys. I'm really sorry. Let me just start over and try to be a little neater. All right, here we go. So let's go x plus 7 and 2x plus 5, and we'll make this equal 0. And what we want to do is we want to solve this, okay? We want to solve that. And this is really, 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 really easy when it's already factored. So let's go here, change it to blue just because. And what we're going to do is set each of these parentheses equal to 0. And then you're going to solve that. So here you're just going to subtract 7, and you're going to get x equals negative 7. And then here, subtract 5. You get 2x equals negative 5. Divide by 2, running out of room here. X equals negative 5 over 2. That's it. That's how you solve these when they're in factor form already. And that's basically everything that you're going to need to know for today's worksheet. So today's worksheet, what you're going to be able to, I'll just kind of lay it out for you. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to multiply to standard form. Be able to name the A, the B, and the C. That's if it's in standard form, guys, then the A is the first number, the B is the second number, and the C is the constant. And then you're going to have to be able to do if it's going up or down, and if it's a min or max. Okay? That's the first part of your worksheet. That's what you have to be able to do. That's going to be the bulk of your work. Then what you're going to have to be able to do, one more thing, is you're going to have to be able to solve. And they're already going to be factored form. So you're just going to set each parenthesis equal to 0. All right? And then you're just going to solve that. You're just going to circle that and be done. All right? Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you on Wednesday.